Holy frig, boys, I went and picked up the Felon, and then on the way I needed to get some weather stripping. So we stopped by the hardware store, and the whole place is like shut down. So friggin', I noticed they had a whole bunch of pipes like these ones, like these pipes here that we use all the time. And I was like, oh, how much is that? 75% off. So they got like 700-foot rolls and a bunch of 250-foot rolls for like 300 bucks. And, you know, I mean, 75%. We're going to friggin' get these pipes right now. So friggin' scores. Oh, look at all the pipe. Nice. Should fucking see if they want to just us to grab some of this cribbing too, you know what I mean? Oh, this is a friggin' sweet score, boys.
Oh, yeah, he came in here for window strip for and found out you guys were having a sale, and one thing leads to another.
What else can we get?
Exactly.
Friggin' Scorsese.
Might have been the owner there.
Oh yeah?
Maybe. Just based on his reaction, right? Holy shit, everything's going?
Yeah. Buying everything? Yup. That's what happens when you give one a sweet deal.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta fucking buy it all. I mean, we'll totally use it, so fuck.
Yeah, exactly.
A little bit premature at the moment, but eventually.
What, the inventory stock?
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm feeling fuck. Come on. Sweet. Holy. These be some good fuck cribbins, bud. That's a monster. So strong. Go shove. Oh, try shoving this down a little bit. Right in there. Forking, sweet. That's good. Spank you, mister.
Wet.
No. Damp. Big fan of cribbing, eh?
Are ya?
Yeah, oh, big time. Big cribbing enthusiast. What else we got? Oh, that one over there, that's a good one. Strap her down. Yeah. Today was a score, boys. Today was a score. Wish I had known this place was closing down a long time ago. We would have spent all the money. You know what I mean? Blue Water Drainage Solutions inventory, boys. And scores. Scorsese. Look at this, boys. Holy shit. Fucking scores. We cleared out the whole yard, boys. This whole area was filled with shit. This whole area is now loaded onto the truck, and we're going to Inwood. All that good cribbing. Fucking decent. Holy shit. Okay, we better go. Holy shit. We gotta go. Plus I'm overheating. Fucking something terrible. Yeah, BMR, boys. Beg my pardon, is going out of business. Not going out of business, just moving.
Yeah.
Downsizing and moving. Across the words. Keep an eye on our Lodski. He dropped off an air conditioner, boys. Today is f***ing awesome. Poor squirrel. That's not good. I gotta go bury him. He's our friend too, and he's rooting in the tree and stuff, and now he's f***ing dead. Thanks whoever smushed him going, you know, from the stop sign to here. Like how? Explain to me. Anyways, decent. Yeah. Scores. Oh, an Acer fucking oh, look at this monitor, boys. It's a Curvature monitor. I might have to I might have to try to put that in the house. This might be my new computer monitor. It's the one I got's just dick. Look at that thing, nice. See, that's why I fucking get all butthurt about my extension cord. Who wants a extension cord like that and then ends up in the bin, right? Microwave, decent. Furnace, air conditioner. We got the whole spiel set up over here, boys. Grab a shovel and bury that squirrel. It is a friggin' splendid day out. A little overcast, a little bit overcast, but oh shit. There's a spot. We're gonna have to sort what that is. Just a fucking shitload times better than it was though. I gotta get that squirrel. Stand by. Oh, we got the squirrel. This is his home now. Just made a little spot right here for him. So between the bin and the scrap bin. So he'll be able to watch all the dicks dropping scraps off and stuff. Look at the mess I made in the wintertime too. I didn't do this, I don't think. The plow, snow plow did that, but I did this big time. And that over there, another one over there, oh my God. But we got the shit unloaded here. This one's pretty heavy, that one. But we got these ones sort of out of the way for now. That was a score, boys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. 75% off. I mean, that was, you know, what are you doing? You know what I mean? Who comes across a deal like that? What drainage company comes across a bunch of drainage deals like that? You know what I mean? Fucking blue water drainage, apparently. But yeah, fucking sweet. Check out this cribbing too. Holy f, you know how guys I like cribbing. Somebody's doing donuts in the yard too. Anybody know anything about that? Look at that. Holy shit. Those gotta be, they're fucking over 8 feet. They gotta be 10 feet, these. No? Friggin' a Scorsese. Not sure what else. Oh, the fucking 1B7s. They're like actually 1B7s though. I'm not just saying 1B7 when I mean 2B fair, you know? And the rabbits can bite that instead of the floor and the couch and the wall and the drywall and the desk and chairs and holy shit, you know what I mean? Oh, goodness gracious. Well, we got them up on the guy because I saw a little speckle on the ground over there, and I thought, well, I mean, that's not good. We just spent all that time, but you'll see there's no drips on the bottom of the transmission. No drips on the bottom of the oil pan. All up into cohither. Nice and dry. All nice and dry, boys. Friggin' sweet. So I looked and I saw it. Well, we got some residual coming down right here. It's like, well, where's that coming from? And look up, oh, it's all wet. Can't really see it too much. Well, it's the blow-by article, boys. It's just the crankcase vent tube. So it's just dripping down on the engine there a little bit. Not too bad, right? I mean, you're gonna have a little blow-by. She got 420,000 plus kilometers on it, so. But yeah, no need to be alarmed, boys. No need to be alarmed. Well, keep an eye on her, make sure that everything's copacetic. But yeah, what a score today, boys. Holy suffered. I mean, I basically made $3,000 today just by going to, and all I went there for was the passenger door. Like, I don't know, the tree fell on the roof of this truck at one point, I was told, right? Like, it's all crunched in and stuff, so the whole sort of operation doesn't quite line up very well. So what happens is when you're driving down the fucking interstate, 900 mile an hour, you can hear like whistling in the passenger door and water drips down, right? And then it gets all under the floor mat and rots your floor out. So guy come over and he just had some, he had the same sort of issue. He just put some trim on the door there, stopped the, just to pinch it more better. So we'll see if, yeah, I'll just use like a piece of this. That should probably be enough. I'll just pinch a piece of that in there. But anyways, that's what I went to go and see if they didn't have something a little better maybe. And then I'm realizing, well, the whole place is closing down. Start asking them some questions. Next thing you know, they're telling me 75% off the drainage pipe. I says, pardon? Couldn't have been a better, more timings. But anyways, boys, let me know what you think about that. And yeah, I go.